Oh, it's a little small, tiny little guy. Tiny little guy. Yep, not that big. Let you back go. Just getting started here. All right, you can see the fish are already pretty active on the fish finder here. Oh, lost my bait. Just using some wax worms here. All right, we're dropping down. You can see, oh look, someone's coming pretty fast. Someone's coming up really quick. Look at all these fish. Look at all these fish. I'll drop a little lower. Look at all these fish. Oh my goodness. Drop a little lower here. I can't even see. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, look at this guy. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. There you go. About the size, probably a good 6-incher. All right, thanks, little buddy. Send you back in. These guys are active. I mean, take a look at this on the fish finder. These guys are just everywhere. All right, there's my lure right there. Oh, look, they are coming up. These guys do not play. I'm seeing my lure drop. Oh, stop dropping. I think someone got it. Oh, nope. Let's drop back down. It's me right there. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's coming on. He's right by it. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, another little guy. Look at that. Another little guy. He's about, what is he? He's about that size. There you go. Another small little, less than, I think this is less than 6 inches. That's this guy right there. All right. Here we go again, dropping down in. Well, I already caught 3 fish. It's only 10:22. Only been out here for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. All right, look at these guys. They already see it. They're coming after it. There are so many of them in here. Just gonna let this guy drop. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Man, these guys are hungry. Woo! Look at this guy. All right. Just another small little guy. Lots of these little bluegills out here. Another upper lipper. Thank you. I'm fishing today in honor of my good friend, fellow fisherman, Mark Elert, who passed away last week. Oh, there's some other fishes. It's going down. They're following it. Coming to. I'm just gonna drop down. Oh, I think I got one on. Fish on. Nope. Fish not on. I got too excited. I saw the line go slack. I thought that was it. Let me drop down. They're sitting about 12 feet. I'm just gonna jig around here. There's a lot of movement down there. Okay, so these guys are pretty, fish on. These guys are pretty shallow right now. Oh, I took my bait. So these guys are, I think, are pretty hungry. They're sitting up pretty low. I see them down there. All right, here we go. See when the lure will pop down. There it is. Okay, look at this guy. He's coming right up at it. We're ready. Fish on. Oh yeah. Nice size guy right here. Look at that guy. That's a good size bluegill. That's a nice guy right there, right? Oh, he inhaled this bad boy. Oh gosh. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. Woo! This guy inhaled this. Okay. Thanks, buddy. All right, back on. This is fish number what, 5? Let's see. Come back here. Oh, there's this. Oh, who's this guy right here? What's this guy doing? Up real high. Fish on already. My goodness. There's another guy. And they're all little sub 6 inches. Upper lip. So much fun. Thank you. Thank you, bud. How was my waxworm doing? Probably should get another one on there. All right. Let's go fishing. Here's the drop. And they're coming. I'll put it right in the middle. Already got a fish on. Oh, goodness gracious. This one's a nice one. Oh, nice. Look at this guy. Big belly. Yep. That's a nice fish. Look at that one. Oh, it's a good size. Thank you, bud. These guys must be hungry. They are swallowing. There you go. Thanks, bud. All right. go back down. Wonder if there's anything bigger down there. Maybe, what time is it right now? It's 10:43, maybe at 11. Try to go for something bigger. Oh, there's a lure. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy come up real quick. So quickly. So quickly. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, fish on. Ah, you're just a little guy. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. All right. Thanks, buddy. I'll let you keep that one. Go ahead. Oh. All right. Set this guy down. So I'm sitting about 9 feet. Fish on. Fish on. Just like that. Hey, look at this guy. It's, oh, this one's a good size. Look at that. That's a good size. All right. Upper lip action again. Thank you, bud.